What the f is that shit? So today I got my packet with a new part for my car in it, and let's have a look what the eBay seller has sent us. I was a bit wary of the product because it was so cheap. So here goes then. Knife meat box, box meat knife. Nothing like a good old carpet knife to do your dirty deeds. Oh baby. What the f is that shit? What I actually bought off eBay was a differential pressure sensor for the diesel particle filter. What this does is measure the gas going into the particle filter and the gas coming out of the particle filter. If the difference between the two is too large, then it will actually put your car into limp mode. As for the part itself, it doesn't feel right. I don't know. Yeah, not always best to buy cheap. So let's get some comparison tests done. First thing I'm going to do is weigh it and compare it with my original part. With both units on the scales, the one on the left being the fake scan part and the one on the right being the Ford original part, you can see there is a 26 grams difference in weight, or roughly 33%. The question is, why is the one on the left so light? What's missing? How I think one of these units worked is with a diaphragm inside. So I decided that I would put together an LED, a couple of cables and a battery, and shine the light inside to see what I could see. As you can see on the left, the light shines in and comes directly out. On the right, you cannot see any light at all. That means that the way between the two pipes is blocked. After the test with the LED, I decided to check the connections with my multimeter. On the right, I had a reading of 1703. On the left, I had nothing. This means that they're not connected. I am starting to wonder if this is just nothing more than an empty case. Now that we've tested both of them and compared them, I think it's time now to get it down to the workshop and see if we can open this up and see what's inside. Let's go. Right, here we go. A little bit of safety, just in case a piece of plastic flies off. I'm trying to get the screwdriver in here. The gloves. I'm not sure how many people die of plastic splinters a year, but I do not want to be one of them. Right. So we're gently going to give this a tap, see if we can get it open. Don't think that's working. Let's try something else. Well, that seems to have done it, that's for sure. So managed to find the bits. Here we go, that's how they was put together. And this is how they are when they're apart. And as you can see, these pins, I don't know if we can get that on camera, they haven't been soldered. So there was nothing in this, it was an empty box. Thank you, the guy on eBay. You really are nothing more than a f***ing cunt. That's it then for me. Alright, wish you all luck, have a good one, yeah? Hey, if you like the video, feel free to smash the like button, leave a comment or even subscribe. Thanks for watching.